Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gadget Whisperer. Today, we're diving into the Google Pixel 9a, Google's latest addition to their A-series lineup. Priced at $499, this phone promises flagship features without the flagship price. But does it deliver? Let's find out! The Pixel 9a introduces a fresh design, moving away from the traditional camera bar to a sleek pill-shaped module. This change not only gives it a cleaner look, but also ensures the phone sits flat on surfaces. Available in colors like bay blue, charcoal, and porcelain, it caters to diverse aesthetic preferences. The matte finish resists fingerprints, and with IP68 water resistance, it's built to withstand the elements. Equipped with a 6.3-inch OLED Actua display, the Pixel 9a boasts a peak brightness of 2,700 nits, ensuring visibility even under direct sunlight. The 120Hz refresh rate provides smooth scrolling and transitions, enhancing the overall user experience. It's a noticeable upgrade from its predecessor, the Pixel 8a. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a is powered by Google's Tensor G4 chipset, paired with 8 GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth performance for daily tasks, gaming, and multitasking. While it may not rival the top-tier processors in raw benchmarks, it holds its own in real-world usage. Plus, with 7 years of software updates, you're guaranteed longevity. The Pixel 9a features a 48-megapixel main sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Daylight shots are crisp with accurate colors, while night sight enhances low-light photography. The 13-megapixel front camera ensures clear selfies and video calls. While it lacks a telephoto lens, features like macro focus and AI-driven enhancements compensate well. With a 5,100 mAh battery, the Pixel 9a comfortably lasts over 30 hours on moderate use. It supports 23-watt fast charging and wireless charging, ensuring quick top-ups when needed. For those seeking extended battery life, the Extreme Battery Saver mode is a handy feature. Running on the latest Android version, the Pixel 9a offers a clean and intuitive interface. Features like call screen, now playing, and voice typing enhance usability. While some advanced AI features from the Pro models are absent, the overall software experience remains top-notch. To sum it up, the Google Pixel 9a offers exceptional value at its price point. With a refreshed design, impressive display, reliable performance, and a capable camera system, it's a strong contender in the mid-range segment. If you're looking for a feature-rich phone without breaking the bank, the Pixel 9a is worth considering. Thanks for watching! If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Have questions or thoughts about the Pixel 9a? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech savvy. Visual display links to related videos, subscribe button, and social media handles.